Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be introducing you to this coin called Coin. It is called an ETC coin. It says you should start mining on Telegram and watch your digital wealth grow. All you just need to do is to mine on Telegram and watch your digital wealth grow. Okay, so it offers instant reward, mining EC tokens effortlessly, enhancing your asset value, potential growth, and many more. So let's look at firstly the benefits of this altcoin, which is called EC, equitable wealth. Everyone gets a fair chance at wealth through our UBI model. Trade freely. Feature trading ensure the free realization of your EC tokens value. Click here to start. So we're going to go into click on play now. I will be showing you how really you can make up to 0.005 or more USDT instantly. Okay, we'll be looking at how you can make that instantly. So let's quickly dive into that to say play now. If you click on play now, this is exactly where it lands you to. A very beautiful mining interface with a lot of opportunities. Okay, let's look at it. In this place, it has a total pool price here, 300 TON, and over 30 millions of EC, which is the altcoin. Trading is counting down, which is 1 day, so hurry up and join now to start making for yourself. All right, all you just need to do is to tap here, and it will keep rotating. For each circular movement it takes, you gain 0.001 EC coin. But we're going to do that practically so that we can exactly understand how this really works. You can accelerate your earning here by clicking the accelerate earnings. Okay, one of the most fascinating thing about this mining again is that you can refer your friend and earn a reward. Okay, refer your friend and earn 0.002 tons, which is 5,000 coins equivalent. So I will drop my referral link at this very descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up, and we'll keep doing this together. Okay, all right, each friends you refer are going to appear on your teams. Okay, if you click on teams, your friends will be here, or the friends and the reward you got from the referring programs will all be here. It says invite friends for extra 20% ETH and TON. Friends invite, you earn extra 5% ETH coins and TON. So invite now. Okay, so this in this place you can also like accelerate your earnings. You boost them up, the detector to upgrade, you change stations upgrade, you speed up your earnings. In this task, this is where a lot of tasks is going to pop up here for you to perform. You join the community, you get some percent. You follow up on Twitter, you get some percent. You join Telegrams, you go on, you get some percent. You connect your TON, you also get some percent, and so on. Okay, the last one here, but not the least, is your wallet connections. In this place, when all your coins are available, you can withdraw, you can trade. That is, when this countdown exhausted, you can deposit, withdraw, and you can as well pledge. Okay, so all you just need to do is to dive into this now and start earning for yourself. So what we are going to look at now is, okay, how do we mine on this very platform? You're going to navigate yourself to this place and you're going to click to start. So you will click. As you can see now, it has started moving. The moment it comes to this place where it starts from, your volume will be added. So let's look at it carefully and look at the volumes here carefully as well. You can see it has been added. Okay, it's going again. So all you just need to do is to start earning 0.05 or 6 for yourself, like right now. Come in there. So what will be getting 0.1, you can see, plus 0.1. Okay. So you invite friends, don't forget you're going to get 0.002 tones.